Beginner dialogues giving and requesting personal information. Use this role play to practice asking about personal information.
Make sure you know how to ask questions with the verb to be.
Personal information includes information about a person's job, marital status, address, phone number, etc.
These questions are important when providing information at banks, schools, stores, when taking surveys and more. Practicing dialogues with personal information. What's your surname, last name, family name? My surname, last name, family name, is Smith. What's your first name? My first name is Fred. Where are you from? I'm from, place. What's your job? Or, what do you do for a living? I'm a. Occupation. What's your address? My address is, state address. What is your telephone number? My number is, state phone number. How old are you? I am, state age. Are you married or single? I am married, single, engaged, divorced, separated, and what are your hobbies? List hobbies, for example, painting, going windsurfing and watching TV. Key vocabulary. Surname, family name, first name. Numbers. Address. Telephone number. Married, single, engaged, divorced, separated. Hobbies. Please, like, share, subscribe.